Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2012 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the pressure light, basically the warning light. But before I do that, that's the tire size that you have on the car on this particular model. And that's the pressure right there. It's a 30 psi, 2.1 bar or 210 kpi, front and rear. But if you've got a load or you're carrying something, it's not too much, but on the rear is a lot. Now to do it, it is an easy procedure. If I switch the car off, shut the door, start the car up, as you can see right there, there's the pressure warning light on, and on the display there as well. Now to do it, all you got to do is play around with these buttons right here. So if I go into menu, sorry, not menu. So if I press the exclamation mark right here, and then press again, so I'm into menu now. I go into the main settings. So if I scroll down, which is right here, this is the button I need to press, and then I need to press right if I want to go into it. So if I scroll down, go to customize, press right on the display, then go up onto deflation, press right, press initialize, press right, then press yes, and then I've got to press the source button right here. Once I've done that, so you can see right there now the light is gone, and there it's all done now. So what I do, I press back, press menu. I'm into the main page now. But the exclamation mark, sorry, not the exclamation, the tire pressure warning light which was here, that's all disappeared now. That's all you got to do on your particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and there is a Honda playlist as well as tire pressure playlist as well. Do check it out. Thank you. Goodbye.